It's finally happening. There's some projects popping up that are not only turning solar energy into cryptocurrency rewards, but also utilizing solar panels to run a new layer 1 blockchain. If you have solar, if you've been thinking about solar, or you would be down to deploy some panels, this is a pretty cool, exciting new opportunity. I'll be honest, I was kind of thrilled when I saw Rowan come across my desk. And hey, I'm Drew Vosk. You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. I'm working hard to build my own mining farm because I love layer 1 mineable equipment-based blockchains, right? They utilize proof of work. And we're also working on adding solar to our home and our mining farm. Now there's a new blockchain, business, and token that are all looking to reward you. Let's dig into it. Up to 450 euros a year. Yeah, to my friends overseas. They have launched in Europe. They've launched this device called a smart miner. And basically you make extra money from your solar panels without losing any of your existing subsidies. They boast that it's the best decision for your solar investment. Earn up to 450 euros extra per year, reduce your payback period, access to real-time data, and track your carbon savings. I mean, that's cool. In their last AMA, they also announced that a partnership is in progress. Based on this information and other rumors, apparently, their CEO is working on a new partnership with Duracell. Like the Duracell, the battery company? Their system is called Rowan Rewards, and they pay out £10 per kilowatt hour. A typical 5 kWp solar system will earn on average 450 euros per year. They maintain and service this smart miner for 10 years. If you have questions, email them. That's why they're here. support@rowanenergy.com. Huge shout out to them because they've been really responsive with all my questions, and I appreciate them making today's video a possibility. They just linked up with HDM Solar for a new national distribution partnership. Through this collaboration of HDM Solar's network of 400 plus installers, they'll get direct access to their smart miner devices and Rowan rewards. It's going to be one of those things that if they really continue to take off and gain traction, it'll be like a why not? Like why wouldn't you want one of these? If it earns more than it burns and it doesn't impact the other benefits of your system, why not? Why do they pay you anyway though? These smart miners validate transactions on their low power, low carbon blockchain. They use anonymized information, creating carbon offset certificates. These can later be sold to businesses or individuals looking to offset their carbon footprint. In return, they're able to offer you Rowan rewards. And again, that's their own cryptocurrency token. It reminds me of SRECs. That's what I call them, SRECs. These are solar renewable energy credits. I'm going to start generating these the second I get my system online here in Virginia. The first piece of our solar array is going to be about a 34 kilowatt system, which means I'll be generating around 40 SRECs a year. And let's say they stay around their market rate of about $40, right? Times 40. I would be earning about $1,600 extra on my solar return, on my solar investment. In addition to my solar system powering a full-size Bitcoin miner, eliminating my residential electricity bill, and a bunch of other benefits. The bottom line is, solar is an interesting proposition as is, but you add in SREC generation, it becomes more lucrative. You add in Rowan Energy, their own blockchain, with their own coin, and a pretty low cap coin at the time of recording this video, it provides more ways to earn and more opportunities to solar operators. It provides a unique opportunity and pitch for solar installers. Maybe something like this will get new systems kind of over that initial hump, like that call to action of like, why would I do this? Well, with this, you'll earn additional rewards on top of offsetting your electricity bill. The RWN coin, Rowan Coin, is traded on multiple cryptocurrency exchanges. One of those is MEXI, which in the US you have to use a VPN to access, which is how I use it. I'll link that out down below. and there are some other options there as well. We can see this coin has trended down and really kind of found its bottom around here, at least for now, for what it's worth. Remember, the general market sentiment lately has been rough. It's been negative. Bitcoin's pulled back well over $20,000. We're even worried that Ethereum may no longer be a stable coin because it keeps going down. They've got a Telegram group. You can jump in there, ask questions, and engage other people if you'd like to do so. They have their Block Explorer, of course. They have the Rowan energy focused site, and they also have Rowan Blockchain.com where they break down their tokenomics. But one thing that I really like that I found in my research is this post about their certified engineer training program. With this, you can be reminded that this isn't just an idea. Their smart miner exists. It's not vaporware. They've already developed it. They already have manufacturing. And they're just looking to build out their network, right? And continue to add value. They have certified installers. And the bottom line is, what I'm trying to just illustrate here is that this isn't like, oh, this is a new thing and they got a token sale. Look at this. Like, no, this is a project. They're already running. They've already got funding. They're already trading. They have their coin. And now it's just a matter of, are you interested from a smart miner point of view, or do you just see straight up value in this and you want to look at that token? It's not financial advice. As always, do your own research, check out their link tree. I'll link it out down below, and you can work through all of the information out there on this project, from their website, right, to their white paper, to their CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings, and surprisingly 4 different wallet options: iOS, Google, desktop, and the AnchorPay wallet. All of these are bringing their coin to different platforms. Let's check out their tokenomics. The Rowan coin distribution has evolved considerably over the last year, 2024. The original circulating supply was basically 200 million coins. This is where it's surprising, though, for a mineable coin like this, they have a deflationary mechanism. The total supply is 545 million coins. However, this doesn't mean that there are emissions or unlocks. 180 million of these coins are what they call the mining buffer pool. This is a pool of coins that acts as a buffer that can be sold to fund incentives required for the Rowan Rewards vertical. This is their incentive scheme that customers join once they have a smart miner installed, and it entitles them to a cash back per kilowatt hour of renewable energy generated. 150 million of these coins is assigned to a reserve to be available for institutional investment, contracted and incentivized in a way that encourages them to only sell via over-the-counter, which would have a lower or essentially no potentially impact on the open trading market, which is where most of these smart miners would probably end up selling their coins, because you wouldn't, be generating hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars worth of a transaction that would necessitate a OTC buy there. So they also have a buyback mechanic where they will buy back coins. For every smart miner sold, 150 worth of RWN is bought off the market at market price as a network onboarding fee for all new customers. So don't think that the smart miner is free. There is an associated onboarding fee. That was standardized by projects like Helium, so projects will continue to use that for better and worse. Thankfully, this is not a non-project with people that have AI generated avatars and made up names. These are real people with their real pictures attached, and you can head over to their About Us page and research them and see if it is a project that would be interesting to you. Because remember, when you're buying into coins, you're really buying into the team that's running that project. An idea is great, but execution is obviously paramount. What do you think about Rowan Energy? I'd love to hear from you down in the comments below, especially if you're overseas. Are you in Europe, and are you going to reach out to them after this video, or does this inspire you to perhaps deploy some solar and then also pursue these Rowan rewards? I'd love to see these here in the US. I'm looking to maximize the return in my solar endeavor. So if I can throw a Rowan smart miner on it, I don't believe they currently service the United States at all, unfortunately. But if they expand here, I'm interested, right? I mean, rewards are rewards, and I'm generating clean energy, solar energy. Why not maximize my return on it? So as always, let's close it out in style with our CSO, our Chief Solar Officer, Tails Voss. You're in 10 seconds, Tails, in every video. Appreciate you tuning in. And again, I'd love to hear your honest feedback down in the comments. I hope you're having a good one. I'll see you in the next video.